Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set your home and work address on Google Maps. So you press there and then you go to settings, and then under account settings go to edit home or work, and then you see your places. So under there you go to labeled, and then you can set your home address. So just enter your home address. You can type or choose on map or choose from context. So here I'm just gonna type my home address, and then it's all set. So now my workplace example, I want to choose on map, so just press on choose on map, and then now just choose the location on the map. So just pan and zoom to adjust, and then press OK once I have already adjusted. And then now it's all set, and every work and home is saved. And now if I want to search, I can just press search here and then press home without entering my home address again and again. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.